Hi, this is Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a few months since my last upload because COVID-19, working from home full time with a toddler, and I was pregnant. There was just too much going on. I barely have any energy to shoot another video. So as you can see, I gave birth to a healthy little girl a month ago. And there's a giant orange box. Both kids are napping right now, so I feel like, okay, I can squeeze some time to do another video for you guys. I got this purse last Saturday. Before I jump into unbox this purse, I'd like to give like two updates about the store. At first, at the boutique store on Madison Avenue in New York City, right now, because of COVID-19, it's an appointment system. So basically, if you are an existing customer, you contact your sales associate to book an appointment before you enter the store. The store does welcome some walk-ins, but it's availability only. So basically, you pop by the store, there's a desk at the front entrance. You leave them your name, and you can only stay on the main floor waiting for the next available sales associate. So last Saturday was a little bit busy. While I was waiting for my sales associate, I did see a few walk-ins, and they're all got a sales associate, but a couple of customers, they were looking for leather products. The leather products is in the basement, but because there were so many people in the basement at that time, they couldn't even go down to the basement. They can only give their sales associate their color preferences and the style preferences, and the sales associate will bring up the boxes to main floor or to other floor for them to see the purse. And the second update is the quota system. So my sales associate did confirm with me, every customer, you can only have a 2 quota bag every year, such as Constance, Kelly, and Birkin. But I was hoping to using Martin's name, creating a new profile as her customer. So maybe we can, as a family, we can have a little bit more than 2 every year if we're lucky. But she said the new system is actually matching address. So she said like, even I create a profile for Martin, she's not sure whether we could get more than 2 every year. But she said she's gonna try. That is a surprise to me because I feel like we're not going anywhere anytime soon. So. And also this year, I've already got mini Kelly. If you guys are interested in that video, I also have an unboxing video for that. I can link that video at the end of this video. Anyway, let's jump into unbox. There's no ribbon because I unboxed this purse last Saturday after I got it to let Martin see. And Martin really loved the color too. So it is my first Birkin 25. So far I have one Birkin 30 in color gold, and I have a constant in vertical run, and I have a mini Lindy in rose extreme, and a mini Kelly in the color of deep blue. My journey with the Hermes store is only the Madison Avenue, and a little bit like less than 3 years. So if you guys interested in my journey as a whole, I have like another video I talk about this. I will also link that video at the end of this video. All right, here you go. Ta-da! This Birkin 25, I think the leather is togo, and the color is bamboo with gold hardware. My other Birkin, it's the color is gold, but with palladium hardware. So, like on Saturday, my sales associate actually texted me, says they have a Birkin 30 in color seal. She thought I'm interested because I told her I want a blue Birkin. But the moment, but when I arrived to the store, she also said they have Birkin 25 in this color. And the moment I saw this color, both of us agree this is the more fun color for me. Oh, while I was waiting for my sales associate, I saw a girl wearing Kelly 25 in the new color. The new color, I think the blue breeze or something like that. The new, yeah, it's just the white blue. It was like gorgeous, gorgeous color. Hopefully I can get it in the future. Anyway, so I know a lot of people, they are worried about the size of the handle for like a Birkin 25, but I have no problem fit my hand into the handle. Let me just adjust the camera for you guys so you guys can see how I wear this purse. So I'm 5'5". Right now my weight is about 120. I think normally my weight is about 100 or something, or 110. I don't even know. Anyway, I think the Birkin 25 is like a perfect size for me. It's literally, I think it's the perfect size for day and night. I can totally see I wear this size with a cocktail dress at night, and during the day jeans and t-shirt, or some dress like this, maternity dress like this. Anyway, so I'd like you guys to see a little bit close up. This green just absolutely gorgeous. At first I thought I wanted like cactus, but I think cactus is more, it's like so much darker, more green than this. This is just so fun. This color is just so much fun. Anyway, if you guys are interested in like seeing another comparison video of Birkin 25 or Birkin 30s, please let me know. And yeah, and see you next time. Thank you.